Expandable modular home steel frames are becoming increasingly popular among buyers seeking flexible, low-cost housing options. Promising portability, corrosion resistance, and eco-friendly materials, these structures are well suited for a range of uses, from mobile offices to temporary housing. But behind the appeal of quick assembly and modern materials lies a more complex reality. The true performance of these homes depends not only on what they're made of, but how they're built, maintained, and used. Galvanized steel is often marketed as a major selling point, and for good reason. It provides essential protection against corrosion, making it ideal for units exposed to the elements or transported across different climates. However, material alone doesn't guarantee durability. Long-term performance depends on how the steel is joined, welded, and finished. Poor welds, exposed cuts, or lack of protective coating at stress points can create pathways for rust, even in galvanized frames. The structure's longevity hinges on detailed finishing and precise fabrication, not just the use of high-grade steel. One of the most appealing features of these homes is their foldability. Collapsing a full living unit for easy transport is a major logistical win. Yet each fold places mechanical stress on the frame, hinges, and seams. Over time, these repetitive movements weaken connections and compromise seals, especially if the unit is not regularly inspected and maintained. The steel may hold, but the joints are often the first to degrade. For anyone planning repeated deployments, ongoing maintenance isn't optional, it's essential. The walls in many of these homes use EPS, expanded polystyrene, sandwich panels. Lightweight and affordable, they reduce transport costs and provide basic insulation. But their effectiveness is limited in extreme climates, and they're highly vulnerable to compression damage and moisture infiltration. Without additional fire-resistant cladding, EPS performs poorly in high heat conditions. For temporary installations or use in mild environments, they may suffice. For long-term residential use, upgrading the insulation should be a priority. Despite the benefits of galvanization, the absence of coating on joints and unsealed areas poses a serious concern. This is especially true in coastal or high humidity regions, where even minor exposure can lead to oxidation. Bolt holes, saw cuts, and post-factory modifications are common weak spots that quickly corrode if not properly treated. A home designed for outdoor use must go beyond basic material choices. It must be thoroughly sealed and finished to endure real environmental stress. Brand reliability also plays a key role in whether these modular homes live up to their promise. Units sold under vague or generic names like no end name _ null often come with minimal warranty coverage and limited after-sale support. A 1-year warranty is hardly sufficient for a home expected to last 20 to 30 years. Without a recognized brand standing behind the product, buyers may find themselves with little recourse if components fail or structural issues arise. In prefab construction, company reputation is just as important as technical specs. Ultimately, these expandable modular homes serve best as affordable, flexible solutions for short to mid-term needs. They work well as temporary shelters, remote workspaces, or emergency housing where traditional building is impractical or too costly. But treating them as long-term residential replacements without further investment is risky. For those willing to perform upgrades, insulation, sealing, and reinforcement, these homes can deliver excellent value. Just don't confuse fast setup with lasting performance. A good modular home starts with good expectations.